Hello everyone. I welcome you all to my flute music channel, that is Basuri Bhai. Guys, in today's video, we are going to discuss about some of the things which you are going to encounter or the things which are going to happen with you in your flute journey. The list doesn't end here, but we will take some of the points from that list and we will discuss it here. So let's get started. If you are a serious learner and you want to play flute, you want to learn flute, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I am continuously uploading many videos for you guys. So guys, first thing first. The first thing is that you are going to feel dizziness. You want more and more sleep. So make sure that you are having a proper sleep of 8 to 9 hours or whenever you are getting an urge to sleep. This is happening because you are exercising, you are playing the flute and you are exercising. Your internal organs are exercising, your lungs, your diaphragm is exercising. So this is happening to you. You are feeling totally exhausted. And thing is that playing flute is kind of a pranayama. So you are doing a continuous pranayama for almost 1 hour if you are practicing 1 hour, 2 hours daily. So that's why you are getting exhausted and you want to sleep. So make sure you sleep, right? Proper rest is very necessary. Second thing is that you are going to feel pain in your hands, right? In your fingers, in your thumbs, and in this total hand, right? And if you are having a bad body posture, then surely you are going to feel pain in your spinal cord, to your back, shoulders, and the neck also, right? So make sure that you are having a good body posture while you are playing the flute or while you are practicing the flute. The third thing is that you are going to have a problem in your tongue and lips because they are going to be dry. So dryness of tongue and lips is common while playing flute. This is happening because of the continuous blowing of the air, right? And you are exercising your tongue also, like if you are doing articulation practices. So like a tuk 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 tuk. So it is continuous working inside your mouth. So that's why you are going to feel something dried up inside your mouth. So your tongue will be dried up, your lips are going to be dry. So this is the third thing, guys. The fourth and fifth one are very necessary and very interesting also. The fourth point which I have took in this video is like you will get an urge to play every time. Like while you are doing anything, you have something inside your mind that I have to play flute, that I have to play flute. So whenever you are sleeping, whenever you get time, space, you want to play your flute, you want to practice again and again. This is the fourth point. And the fifth one is like that people will say you that people will notice that you are practicing and they will demotivate you. They will say that you are wasting your time. They are not going to like it. But while you are practicing day to day and you are progressing day to day, their mindset will be totally changed. And you have the capability to do that. So guys, don't stop practice and practice again and again till you reach your goal where you have to be. You want to play flute, right? So you have to practice, you have to face these problems. अगर अभी तक तुमने मुझे सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है या आपने मुझे सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, क्योंकि बड़े भी हो छोटे भी हो, तो प्लीज़ आप मुझे सब्सक्राइब करो. क्यों? क्योंकि मैं कंटिन्यूसली ऐसे वीडियोस लाता रहूँगा. अब लाता रहूँगा. पहले कुछ दिनों बंद कर रखा था, लेकिन अब ला रहा हूँ और लाऊंगा. सो आप यहाँ पे आओ और मज़े लो, ज्ञान लो और ज्ञान बांटो. सो दिस इज़ एंड गाइस. आई जस्ट वॉन्ट यू टू प्ले फ्लूट. सो कीप ब्लोइंग, कीप लर्निंग. जय हिंद.